Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how to add a bill in tablet application. So you have installed a CureCast app in your tablet. So open app, click on patients in the bottom right corner. Either you can register a new patient or open an existing patient file. So I click on Peter, the first patient. So as you can see in this patient file, there are multiple items and in the last menu item is billing. So click on billing. So the billing summary opens for this patient, Dhiren. So there are two bills generated so far. Let's create a new bill. So click on add a new bill. The patient name is taken by default. Bill date is today's date. You can change the date. You can also change the staff name as well. Let's keep everything as it is. Click next. Now here you can select any bill item from the setup which you have done, or you can add a new billing item. So I'm selecting an item from the setup, and you can select the number of units or a quantity of the product or services. So you can select multiple quantity. You can select service as well. And as you can see from setup, the item name, the product information, price information, and discount and tax information gets defaulted. So if I click on F for product, it will show me the discount and the tax applicable. So if I update the discount here, the total billing amount will be updated automatically. Okay. So you can also apply discount either at medicine level or for a particular medicine or on the entire bill. Tax amount is calculated automatically from the setup. Now all these three bill items we have selected from setup, but if you want to add bill items which do not exist in the setup, you can click add a new bill item here, and you can, let's say we add Dolo 650 tablet by Abbott. And unit cost 25, discount let's say 2 rupees, apply. We can add tax 18%, save it, and we can save this item. After saving this item, we can select the quantity. Right now it's 0, so I'll update it to 1 or 2 and move to next screen. Yes. So now you can see we can save this bill. Once you save the bill, unique bill number is generated. Now you have an option to accept the payment now, or you can cancel it. So if the patient is paying right away, you can select the payment amount and the mode of payment. By default, the cash is selected, but you can change the payment mode. Let's say Paytm or Google Pay. You can add more payment mode as well. And save payment. So as you can see, the bill status is paid and the receipt number is also generated. If we go back, you can see this bill details, invoice 37 with the total bill amount and pay amount. You can also click on bill options and either you can send it on WhatsApp, you can share via email, or you can print this if your Wi-Fi printer is connected.